Hello friends, in this lecture we will be discussing prime implicants and essential prime implicants. So let's start with the prime implicants. So the prime implicant is the product term obtained by combining maximum possible cells. So we have to form maximum possible combinations of the cells and find out the prime implicant. So in this numerical 0, 1, 2, 6, 7 we have placed 1 in the respective cells, and after that let's start making groups. So the first group is 2 and 6, that is a doublet. Then 7 and a 6, that is also a doublet. 0 and 1, doublet. And 0, 2, that is also doublet. So these are the prime implicants, that is the maximum possible combination that can be formed in a K map. So let's note down, there are 4 prime implicants: 0, 1, 6, 7, 0, 2, 2, 6. Next, to find the essential prime implicant, we have to see which cells have a special one that is not shared by any other cell. So in 0, 1, if we can see this, in 0, 1 and 0, 2, 0 is overlapping but 1 is not overlapping. Okay, 2 is overlapping with the 4th prime implicant, 6 is overlapping with the 4th prime implicant. So after seeing this, you can see that 1 and 7 are special ones that is not being overlapped by any other cells. So I will be noting them down. So essential prime implicant will be 0, 1 and 6, 7 because of 1 and 7 that are not being shared by any other cell. So next, how to form the final function. So my final function will be consisting of essential prime implicant and any one of these remaining prime implicants. So my function can be x bar y bar plus xy plus yz bar, or x bar y bar plus xy plus x bar z bar. Let's start with another numerical to make sure that we are going with this correct concept. 0, 3, 6, 7, let's place ones in the respective cells. Now start making combination. 3 and 7 a doublet, 7, 6 doublet, and 1 that cannot be combined in any other cell. So this 1 cannot be combined, you can see that it cannot be combined with any other cells. So this is an implicant, simple implicant. So let's start with this prime implicants: 3, 7 and 6, 7. What are the essential prime implicants? If you can see, 6 is not overlapping and 3 is not overlapping. So 2 essential prime implicants, that is 3, 7 and 6, 7. The function will be yz plus xy plus this function, that is x bar, y bar, z bar. So let's start with a 4 variable K map. In 4 variable K map, where we will be having 16 cells. So the question is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12 are the main terms, and we have to find the prime implicants and the essential prime implicants. So let's place the respective ones in the cells. Okay, so this is our K map after placing ones in the cells for the respective min terms. So let's start with the grouping. So first group is this, the second group can be formed using this doublet, the third group is yellow one, and the fourth group, that is folding of the corners. Okay, so the 4 groups are there, so that means we have 4 prime implicants. So let's note them down. So 4, 8, 12, 2, 4, 6, 10, 11, 0, 2, 8, 10. So let's start finding out the essential prime implicants. So I can see that this one is not shared by any other group. So this blue group will be having one special, this one that is not being shared by any other group. Next, moving to yellow one, all the other ones are shared, but this one is not being shared by any other group. So this one is also special, making yellow group to be a essential prime implicant. Similarly, this 1 is also a special one because this is not being shared by any other group. So I will be saying that red group is also a essential prime implicant. Let's see this using a table. So I have formed a table for each of the prime implicant, and we can see that all the red ones are overlapping with one or more than one groups, but this 6, 11 and 12 are the ones that are not being shared by any other groups. So these will be the essential prime implicants. So I have noted them down, and my essential prime implicants will be 3. They are y bar. So the another numerical is 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15. We have placed the ones in the respective cells. Next, start with the grouping. So let's make the groups. So first the blue one, the red one, the yellow one, and the corner one, that is the green. Okay, so 4 prime implicants are there. So I am noting them down. The 4 prime implicants are these. Let's start with the essential prime implicants. So I can see that this one and this one is not being shared by any other group. So the red one, the red group, this red group becomes our essential prime implicant. Next, let's start with this. This one is shared, making yellow. All the ones of the yellow group is being shared. Similarly, we can see that in blue group all the ones are being shared. By in green group, this one and this one is not being shared. So I can mark this also as my essential prime implicant. Let's see this with the help of a table. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 7 is being overlapped with any other group, and we can see that 13, 15, 8 and 10 are the special ones that are not being shared by any other group, that are only exclusive to red and green cells, green groups. So my answer will be 4 prime implicants and 2 essential prime implicants. These are my essential prime implicants, and all are the prime implicants. So I think I have cleared your doubts. Thank you for listening to this lecture.